Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to download and install your Epson printer driver? In today's video, I'll show you exactly that. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's get started. First up, open your browser and go to Epson's official support website. Scroll down until you see the section that says Search by product name or serial number. Type in your printer's name or serial number, click on Search, and then select your model from the list. Now, you'll be redirected to your printer's support page. From here, pick your operating system from the drop-down and click on Go. Next, open the Downloads tab and then expand the Drivers section. Find the latest driver available and click on the Download button. Once the file finishes downloading, open it up. A confirmation box will appear. Then click on Allow. After that, a welcome window will open. Then go ahead and click on Continue. If you're finding the steps easy to follow, subscribe to our channel. If you need help related to Epson printers, please let us know in comments. Read the license agreement and click on Continue. If you ask to agree to the terms and conditions, click on Agree. When you get to the Destination Select screen, choose the destination and click on Continue. On the Installation Type tab, click on Install. A pop-up might show up asking for your password. Go ahead and type it in. Enter the password and click on Install Software. Now, the installer will start preparing and automatically begin installing everything for you. Once it's done, just click on Close, and that's it. Your Epson printer driver is installed and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.